Hi guys, now that we have installed our virtual box, it is high time we download Oracle pre-built virtual machine for Oracle Data Integrator 12c. And what we have here? Well, as it says, this virtual appliance contains a fully configured, ready-to-use Oracle Data Integrator 12c installation. And what's very good, all you need to do is to install it on your desktop, laptop, and import the ODI 12c getting started appliance, and you are ready to try out Oracle Data Integrator 12c. No installation and no configuration is required. So let's go. But see, we're gonna have to download 5 big files. All of them is about 12 gigabytes, so make sure you have room for all of that. And to do this, you can see the URL in the description of this video. Just go there and download the first file. Just click here. Then agree with the term, accept the license agreement. Now click download. I do recommend you place all the files in a separate folder. Just do that. Do the same step for all the other 5 files. Okay, now we have all the 5 files downloaded here. What we can do is, just for the first file, ended in 001, just right click it and let's unzip it. I'm gonna use 7-zip, and then just say extract it here, and once it is done, so once it is done, you're gonna see ODI 12c getting started virtual OTN 12.131.ova file. And what we have to do now is just open Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox Manager, and right here in Tools, just click in Tools and then come into Import. Find the place where you have extracted the files. In my case, they are here, and you're gonna import this file only. Just click open. Quite important here, guys, we need to set up the virtual memory. Okay, so in my case, let's say that 4,000 megabytes is enough. Make sure you do have enough memory, and just say import. Now just click import, say you agree, and here we go. It is importing now. Okay, now to use our virtual machine, all you have to do is double click the virtual machine here. And here it is. In case your icons are too small, you can come to System, Preference, and Display, and set up the resolution according to your notebook or desktop. That's it, guys.